Hey, what's going on? It's Rico with No Boring Concrete. This is not your typical concrete project. It has nothing to do with concrete, period, except maybe the final step. So, I don't know how many guys out there have damaged your wife's property or something that belonged to her, and when she gets home, you know you're in trouble, and then you're responsible for fixing it or getting a new one of something. Anyways, what happened here is a few weeks ago we had the Canelo fight. Go Mexico, go Canelo. And we ordered some pizzas and I put it down on the table. Now, I don't know what this is. I'll show you. Apparently, it's not like real wood. I mean, it looks like real wood, and I looked underneath and everything, but maybe they just put some kind of coating on it. Anyways, I put the pizza boxes in this area, and I think the heat started to like melt or re-emulsify. That's a real fancy word. The finish on here, and I can't tell if it was wax or what, and that's why you see those scratches right there. I started kind of like scratching back and forth as I try to like heat it up again and see maybe that's what it was, but the stain is there and I'm screwed. So I got to fix this little cool table. It's got like a geometrical like effect to it. It's pretty neat. Anyways, I'm gonna try to get that out of there, clean up the surface. Hopefully I can get a few other areas. That one started to fade up a little bit, and then we have a few of these other spots which I don't know what that is, but ultimately what I'm gonna do is just like I did on my butcher block countertops. Yeah, I know. The concrete guy doesn't have concrete countertops. Sue me. So we end up putting a concrete sealer on the butcher block tops, and it's held up really great. I mean, it's a matte finish, wipes off easy, non-porous. It's food grade safe. It's commercial grade. So I chose to put my concrete sealer on butcher wood blocks countertops, and it's not the first time. I've done it on previous other jobs, and I have other videos for that. But on this one, I'm going to try to fix these marks out, these stains, and then I'm going to seal it with that. So hopefully I will have a good follow-up video for this. If it doesn't work, you will never see this video will never see the light of day, basically, because it was a complete fail. I might post it anyways if I find something else out that does work, or if I got to trash this thing, or I'm afraid to sand it because if it's not to real wood like she's saying, it may not be. I don't know where she got it. She ordered it online somewhere. I might actually damage the finish. So we will see. Stay tuned for more screw ups with Rico and his daily shenanigans. All right, man. See you.